Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Aziz. I hope that you are well. So, in the previous video we have understand how to retrieve the current date and also the current time. And now what I want to get the value of current day, also the current month and current year. To achieve this, I must get the value of the current date. It is the first step. So I do it again. Local date equal local date dot now. Now to get the current day, this value, how I get it? Int day equal date dot get day of month. Okay. Also for the month, int month equal date get month value, and also for the year, int year equal date dot get here. If I make system.println here, I got my date with default format. So maybe if I want to customize the format, for example, I want to make this format 10 August or 8 2020. How to do this? System dot out dot not println. Here we use the method printf. Okay, to format our message. So I put open different parameters. Sorry. %d, %d again, and %d for the day, month, and year. And I put day, month, and year. Okay. Now, if I execute this program, I got the format that I want. So I will go to the computer to execute this simple program to get our day and month and year, and we come back to continue for the time. Let's go. So now I will retrieve the day, the month, and the year step by step. So int day equal date dot get day of a month, first one. Int month equal date dot get month, value, and also int year equal date dot get year. Okay, now I will print my format with customized format. So system dot out dot printf here, printf. So the format will be like this: %d, %d, and %d, and here we put the day, the month, and the year. Month. Let's execute our program to see the result. As you can see, here is our date with the good format. Now I want to get the current hours, also the current minute, second, and nanosecond. To achieve this, I need also the current time. The same thing for the date. So I will put again local time equal LocalTime.now. So I have achieved my current time, my system. Now to get the hours, what I will do, so simple, int hours equal time dot get hours. The same thing for the minute, second, and nanosecond. So int minute equal time dot get minute, and also int second equal time dot get second, and also int nano equal time dot get nano. So simple like this. And I will use also system.out.print f to get my time like this, %d colon %d colon %d colon and %d colon, and I will put the hours, minute, second, and nano. So simple like this. I will execute also this simple program to see how to retrieve this different value, and I will jump to the next topic, inshallah. Let's go. So now I will get the different hours, minute, and second, and second. Let's start by hours. Int hours equal time dot get hours. Also int minute equal time dot get minute. Int second equal time dot get second. And the last one is nanosecond. Int nano equal time get nano. Okay, and here I will print the time like this, hours colon minute colon second colon nanosecond. Okay, so system dot out dot print f, and I put my different parameters. So %d colon %d colon %d colon %d for good. Now hours, minute, second, and last one nanosecond. And here when I execute my program, as you can see, here is the current time, midnight, 43 minutes 13 seconds, and the nanosecond. So in this video I have seen how to retrieve the different value from the date and the time, the current day, the month and the year, and also the hours, the minute, the second, and nanosecond. In next video, inshallah, we see another topic in date and time API to understand more and more, inshallah. But don't forget to practice, always practice. I will give you simple example. We'll also start with a simple method, step by step, but it is important to practice, because maybe you got an error, forgot something here or anything else. You must practice to be familiar with all this new method in Java 1.8. Thank you, brothers to have followed this course until this moment, and you have in the train, stay always in the train, in the final destination, and see you inshallah our next topic. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like video, share it with your friends, and follow me on Instagram. Okay, it's very important when I share different code, motivational code, Teams winners or Faisal.Chico. I will tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.